How's it going, everybody? It's Glenn here at Loess Hills Harley-Davidson. Today I'm going to show you what to look for when you're buying the perfect motorcycle, which of course in my opinion is a Harley-Davidson. We've got this beautiful 2008 Road King Classic that just came in. There are some tips when you're out looking for a motorcycle. You got to find the right one and it's got to be up to par. That's what we do as a dealership here. We make sure all of our used bikes are 100% from start to finish from the minute that we buy them. They go through the shop. We have certified technicians that are going to look these motorcycles over to make sure that anything that needs to be done will be done. You're going to see some of those clips from one of our master of technology, Andy. He's going to go through this motorcycle for us and make sure it's up to par, that it's perfect. And then we're going to put it on the sales floor. One of my favorite things about the dealership is you do have a salesperson. You have service writers, you have parts professionals, motor clothes associates. You have professionals to help you along your journey, and that's a huge thing. All you really have to worry about when you buy a motorcycle from a dealership just like us is to hit that start button and go. All right, now that we have the bike into the shop and up on a lift, we're going to have one of our master techs, Andy, take a look at it. Now, he's got a 35-point inspection to do on this machine to make sure everything and anything will be put up to par for the next owner. Andy's going to start his inspection looking for particular oil leaks, starting at the rocker boxes to the cylinder base gaskets, the inner primary, to the transmission door, to the transmission top cover. He's looking for those oil leaks, something that may need to be replaced before he services it. Even the brake fluid needs to be inspected. As you can see here, this one did not pass inspection, so it's going to need a brake fluid flush. And as always, make sure that all the electrical is working to perfection. Even little things like a kickstand bumper, clutch adjustment, the tightness of the riser bushings, that all matters. Another simple step of this process is to check the battery. A lot of people don't realize that the battery is the most unmaintained part on the whole motorcycle. Now, you probably won't see this, but Andy's also going to check the charging system on the bike to make sure that it is charging correctly as well. But what he needs to do now is pull the battery out and inspect it first. Make sure we have a good battery first. So he's going to go ahead and use a special strap. He's going to pull the bike battery out of the caddy and move it over to the Midtronics tester, where he's going to fully load test it, charge test it, and get a health percentage reading. Now, this battery checked out perfect, just the way we like it. Another little important factor, checking the oil levels, making sure that it has adequate oil level, good oil, transmission oil. Now, he didn't find any leaks on the transmission, but he's still going to check that oil level. So while he's doing these maintenance inspections, he's basically finding out that he needs to fully service this motorcycle. It's never just an engine oil change. There's multiple factors like adjustments, cleaning inspections like the air filter, the spark plug, to check those out and anti-seize them. So it's never just an oil change. So Andy's recommending a front and rear brake fluid flush, rear brake pads, a 15K service, poly riser bushings, and a front and rear rocker box leak repair. It seems like there's a lot of stuff there for somebody who said that this bike was in perfect condition. And that's why you need to look towards us, Loess Hills Harley-Davidson, for your next used bike purchase, so you know it's perfect in every single way. Just like this bike right here, it's now been inspected, serviced, test ridden, and it's ready to go. So look, if you're looking, go to loesshillshd.com, find this bike in the toy box used inventory. And while you're on the website, be sure to check out all the other bikes that we have to offer. This toy box is packed full.